Hey everyone, Eli here with Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Always Pan 2.0 from our place. Inside the box there's a little pamphlet right here. It shows you how the pan works, what it comes with, and all of that. Right on top we got the lid right here. As you can see, it's this beautiful blue color. It's got this very nice textured top, nice handle on top of this cover so you can go ahead and take it off super easily. We've got a beech wood spatula that is included. This is super high quality. I highly recommend using wood spatulas because they do not scratch the pans at all. They have no plastics that are nasty, and it also looks very elegant as well. Inside the package, we've got this very nice stainless steel steamer basket. This thing, as you can see, has these handles up here, so you can easily take it out with ease. You don't make sure that your hand doesn't get hot or anything like that along the edges here. But this thing's super nice for like vegetables, dumplings, anything that you need water inside your pan. So super nice packaging, by the way. Here is what we've been waiting for. This is the Always Pan. As you can see, it's got this nice notch right here. You can go ahead and stick your spatula on it like so it gets held in place. No losing spatulas anymore. No more getting them dirty on whatever messes on your countertop. And again, here is that lid. Goes on top just like that. And there is a spout on both sides of this pan. One right here, one right here. So super easy to just grab by the handles and go ahead and pour out any type of water, anything like that you have inside the pan. It's got this very nice handle here that will not get hot, and that ensures that your hand stays cool while you're handling this pan. The thing that makes this pan so premium is it has a non-stick ceramic coating, and since it is ceramic, there are no plastics or any weird chemicals that are getting into your food. So basically, ceramic is the way to go if you want that non-stick natural coating. You're getting top-notch quality. So again, this thing is just super elegant. Take a look at the spatula, how easy it comes out and goes right back in and fits right onto that hole right there. Overall, I highly recommend this Always Pan from our place if you're looking for a very premium upgrade to your kitchen that ensures that everything you're cooking, you are cooking the best way possible. Thanks for watching.